Hello and welcome to another update video on Polygon. The Polygon chart is currently trying to find a low there. It's trying to reverse to the upside. Evidence that this is going to be successful is limited at this point, mainly based on the very questionable long-term chart. I am tentatively looking for higher prices in the short term as part of this rally in a potential fifth wave. So I am tracking here a potential sequence of 5 waves to the upside. Yeah, but hey, this is not a prediction. So what I've said in previous updates is because of this questionable long-term chart. I mean, Polygon hasn't really participated in the bull market at all. Based on this very questionable long-term chart, I need to see really all of the 5 waves in circle wave 1 to become bullish. Because all of these rallies before, they've turned into 3-wave movements, and they did not allow the price to follow through to the upside, form a higher low. So the performance within this bull market was really not very positive. To be fair, Polygon was never in a bull market, or at least not since 2021. So there is a bearish scenario as well, in which we could currently be working on a 4th wave corrective rally, which is why I need to see really all of these 5 waves, not just 3 waves to the upside. With a solid 5-wave move up, we can be more bullish. But with only 3 waves, we can't really, okay? So therefore, what we've seen from the recent low in April is really not enough to be really convinced that we are going to start the next larger rally. In the short term, though, yes. In the short term, we do have a micro 5-wave move up from this low in April, and therefore we can tentatively look for higher in the short term cautiously. Yeah. So looking at the shorter time frame, you can see that the rally from the April low was indeed a 5-wave move. Okay, there's a small problem. The 5th wave was very weak. The 4th wave was very deep. Not great. But the pullback afterwards was also in 3 waves. And the C wave formed all 5 waves nicely, which is how it should be. And the price also landed in a standard support area for a wave 2 pullback, as it should be. And it already left the area to the upside, as it should be. Okay, so that's all good. It's just that we don't really have the long-term chart that really gives me a lot of confidence, which is why we have this orange scenario here as well. As I said, we have a setup here, a 1-2 setup or an A-B setup, but whether this really is going to fill in all the 5 waves of the next larger degree will have to be seen. I'm skeptical about it. The next focus is on this blue zone, especially as long as the June low is holding. This area should be reached next, between 36.2 cents and 53 cents. At the 100% extension target is the next target, yeah. 36.2 cents would be the next ideal target here for wave C of 4. If it's the white count, it should get to 45.7 cents at least. That's the first ideal target for a third wave, the 138% extension. So yeah, that should give you an idea of what's going on. We don't have 5 waves up from the June low yet. Therefore, I want to see a little bit more price action to really be more confident that we are going higher, but it looks like that at the moment. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.